সো আমি একটা খুব ভালো কোম্পানিতে ইনভেস্টমেন্ট করেছি, ফান্ডামেন্টালি স্ট্রং কোম্পানি, বাট ইয়েট আই কুডন্ট মেক মানি। ইনফ্যাক্ট আই লস্ট মানি, অ্যান্ড ডেসপাইট দ্য company was fundamentally strong, why I made money? That's a basic questions many people ask, যে ভালো কোম্পানিতে ইনভেস্টমেন্ট করেও অনেক সময় দেখা যায় লাভ করা যায় না। সো ইন ইনভেস্টমেন্ট দেখা যায় যে বিং রাইট ইজ এ নেসেসারি কন্ডিশন, বাট ইটস নট আ সাফিসিয়েন্ট কন্ডিশন। সো হোয়াট উই নিড টু বি, we need to be more right than the others. So there is a concept called second level thinking. Howard Marks, the most important thing বইটাতে এই কনসেপ্টটা পপুলারাইজ করেছেন। সো what is second level thinking? A first level thinking is like the company is very good, fundamentally strong company, so let's buy it. And the second level thinking is the company is a very good company, but everybody thinks it's a great company and most people are optimistic about the company. So the optimism is already priced in, but actually the company is not as good as the people think. So the price is much higher than the actual reality of the company. So let's sell. First level thinking can be the outlook for the economy is slow, inflation is rising, oil prices are rising, so there will be negative activity in the economy, so let's sell. The second level thinking is yes, the outlook is bad, but people are think it's terrible, and most cases people already sold their stocks because of negative activity but negative economic outlook. Since people sold and there is oversold the market, so I think if the reality is less worse than the expectation, then the market can go up. The first legal thinking can the company's earnings will be great, so let's buy it. But the second level thinking is most people think the company's earnings will be great, but uh, it's it will be less than they expected. So even if the earnings growth is higher compared to last year, but actual earnings growth is lower than expected, in that case, since the stock is already priced in, it won't rise. Rather, even after a good declaration, the price may fall. So, what is the first level thinking? The first level thinking is simplistic, shallow, and the second level thinking is deep and convoluted. So, in investment analysis, we have to do the second level thinking. One might think one has to be contrarian, but being contrarian for the sake of contrarian may not help. You can be contrarian and you are wrong. In that case, you lose a lot of money. But if you are contrarian and you are right, then you can make a lot of money. Thank you.